Today we're featuring a 2017 Chevrolet Trax LT. It's got 38,000 miles on it. Summit white in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Driver's side is in good shape. Alright, it is equipped with a rear backup camera. No issues along the back. Making our way down the passenger side. Everything's in great shape on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It's got black cloth seats, gold threading there, stitching. Alright, but the driver's seat's in really good shape. No problems there at all. It does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat's in good shape. It is an automatic. It's got your climate control area there, 2 USB ports, an auxiliary port, and a power supply there. There's your home screen right there, your touchscreen display with a backup camera, and I'll show you that in a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Cruise control on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's officially got 38,646 miles on it. Now that we got it started, I'm going to show you your display screen here. Alright, there's your home page. Go ahead and engage backup camera. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems back here. It does have the center console that comes down with the cup holders there. Nice convenient power outlet down there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Carpet back here looks good. Got your spare tire down there. Alright, plenty of room back here. The 2 back seats, with the push of a button here, they do go down, fall all the way down there, opening up the storage a lot more back here. But just with the seats up, you can see there's plenty of storage back here. Let's take a look at your wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 16-inch alloys. Tires are still really good, plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, it's a 2017 Chevrolet Trax LT, 38,000 miles on it. Alright, it's been taken good care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.